So good afternoon, Coventry people, TROWER community in the UK, around the world, UN establishment, yeah, NHS England, healthcare workers, yeah, judge and jurors, and police officers all over the UK. Yeah, share this video. Right, the Coventry Council establishment, they want to experiment on me, my mother and my brother, lying, yeah, under all made up symptoms and illnesses, trying to say that for our age, we're all, I'm 50, just turned 50. Yeah, my mother worked for Coventry Council establishment as a healthcare worker for 30 years. Yeah, and if the Coventry Council establishment have deleted her records, yeah, we've still got proof. Yeah, proof to say she worked for Coventry Council for 30 years. Yeah, they are better than all the local people, better attendance record they have than any healthcare worker who worked in adult care homes at her time. Yeah, in her generation. Yeah, she had the best attendance record out of all the elderly care home workers in Coventry in the 80s. Yeah, overruling, yeah, all the healthcare workers, Wendy, yeah, Andrew Davison, Mendy Callahan, yeah, the social services manager, Gerard, yeah, better attendance than him, record than him, yeah, disgrace him, better attendance record than all the social workers, yeah, and apparently they keep saying Tony Chapman, yeah, he's got access to government computers and he's deleting, yeah, council workers, yeah, and local criminals, yeah, records, yeah, so apparently they've decided to delete my mother's work record, yeah, but we have got proof of it all, yeah, and she's got a photograph, yeah, with the mayor at the time, yeah, when she retired and collected her awards, yeah, so that's how thick, yeah, these Coventry Council workers are, who are fiddling computer records of me, my mother, my brother, yeah, and trying to keep us at the bottom rung of the community scale. Yeah, that's what it's all about. Yeah, that's why we're trying to sabotage people's work records. Yeah, trying to make videos of people and passing on to workers. Yeah, in their chosen occupation of the targeted individuals. Yeah, they try and blacklist them. Yeah, so everyone in Coventry, yeah, question all the employment agencies. Yeah, Fat Bertha. Yeah, forget about me and you best fucking walk away. Yeah, you ex-CID, broken Coventry ex-police officer who got caught with cocaine. Yeah, I wonder if cocaine's on his record or has that been deleted? Yeah, Fat Bertha, yeah, he runs an agency. He worked at the SCS and brought those Africans there, yeah, to compare my body to them. Yeah, that's what Bertha's done from the Shepherd and Shepherdess. Yeah, trying to worm his way back in to the CID good books. So he's a police informer. Yeah, sitting on both sides of the fence. Collecting data, yeah, for sector workers. Yeah, so watch out for these employment agencies. Yeah, because they're not allowed to pass third-party information on, and they're not allowed to blacklist people. Yeah, so that's what I've got on Coventry CID and all the warehouse workers. Yeah, I am better than all the warehouse workers in Coventry. Yeah, better than Almaz at TNT. Better than Matthew Lee, Martin Lee at SCS. Yeah, better than John Briscoe. Yeah, the supervisor at SCS. Better than Agent Ananin. Yeah, better than all the Bosnians, all the Romanians at English and understanding warehouse procedures, logistics. Yeah, goods in and out. Yeah, they're all space cadets who they've got witness statement makers from all my old companies. Yeah, from the post office, yeah, to the sales offices, yeah, to TNT, to the co-op, yeah, to employment agencies, yeah, to SES. Yeah, better than the CID. That's why I fucking named them and fucking shamed them. Better than Armed Forces boys. Better than Lyndon Logan, yeah, Mark Linden, Simon Davison, who are brain damaged Armed Forces boys like Paul Southern and Stephen Morley's brother. Yeah, they're all simple Armed Forces boys. Marvin Davis is a simple Armed Forces boy with Steve Blaney. Yeah, they are just yes boys, yeah, who take orders from the fucking generals and whoever the Dormant Association are and whoever the handlers are. Yeah, but when it comes to English and mathematics, yeah, better than Dottie and Maggie Cullerhane and Billy Morrison and their son put together. Yeah, better than Bubble, yeah, Jamie, yeah, and James Herbert and all the space cadets from Hastings Road and from Stoke Heath. Yeah, Dave Thompson, Paul Thompson, yeah, and anyone else on Stoke Heath, Anthony Toole, yeah, to Bruce, yeah, to anyone else, yeah, Satwant, yeah, these boys left school with no qualifications. Bunch of fucking space cadets, yeah, and that's why I'm ridiculing them all, yeah, the Covert team leader, Lyndon Logan, and whoever your leader is, he does not like me, yeah, I want to know who you are, Yeah, so I can have it out with you. Yeah, and I'm making sure you are ousted, shamed in Coventry as broken Lyndon Logan and broken Zina Logan, who are thick as pig shit. Yeah, come from Cardinal Wiseman. Yeah, and now because they work for the government in the armed forces, boys, or as healthcare workers, the lowest of the low. Yeah, at the lowest rung of a government. Yeah, being Joey for the armed forces, boys, or being a Joey for the healthcare. Yeah, whopping people's arses. Yeah, that's what I've got on these two idiots who come out Cardinal Wiseman School and take on Stoke Park Boy. Yeah, that's how thick your gang is. Yeah, how thick Justin Dehere is. Yeah, to come out of Practising School and just be an ambulance crew driver. Yeah, she can do better. Yeah, but obviously, she's just lazy. Yeah, and got a fucking sugar daddy. Yeah, and got sitting on the fucking bum having an easy fucking life. So Justin Dehere is and the rest of her plastic gangsters moles. Yeah, linked to Amnesia House, linked to the nightclubs and the pub and the local pub scene of Coventry City. Yeah, the people from my generation who try to stitch and frame me up to the sectors via their conspiring network. Yeah, who tell lies to the sector workers and think they should be respected. Yeah, so all your social workers disrespect everyone who approached them at the beginning. Yeah, from the CID, yeah, to all the healthcare workers, ambulance crew members, and the NHS plastic gangsters moles who think they are in the know of what goes on in Coventry. Yeah, that's why they think they're plastic gangsters moles and I'm overruling them for trying to stitch and frame up someone who they didn't know, yeah, would stand their ground against them and open up a big can of worms and realise what they've done. Yeah, and they've been doing it for decades, generations, picking Coventry people off and throwing them into the Catherine Centre. Yeah, all the boys and girls know who they are, who they have stitched. Yeah, linked to local black people and local black families. Yeah, and families who were the trouble with the Dormant Association. Yeah, so they did MK Ultra and Contra on them. I've mentioned before, I ain't going to mention them again. Yeah, so these boys, yeah, would have had most of the Coventry boys. So that's why they went out to destroy the family. Yeah, from Stoke. Yeah, everyone work it out. Yeah, from down St George's Road. Yeah, these Coventry boys and girls are dangerous because we all know about MK Ultra Contra psychological warfare. They know about mind control. They know about Dr. Ian Cameron. They know about CIA, FBI experiments. They know about the Zhejiang program, the Starship program from the Germans, from the Russians, yeah, and a lot of the Europeans are doing it all, who've got a similar mentality to these Coventry boys and girls, who they associate with when they go on the holidays, leaving Coventry, whether they go to Spain, whether they go to Italy, whether they go to India, yeah, meet a couple of social workers from all over the UK who go there, the girls from Swindon, yeah, Social Workers Island, yeah, Sales Island, because a lot of salespeople from SES used to go to Goa, yeah, the holiday island. Yeah, and a lot of them go to Thailand. Yeah, go to Ibiza, go to Ayia Napa. And that's where the sons and daughters go from the Dormant Association. Yeah, and they've got a network across Europe. Yeah, where Kieran Fife knows very well, all the Spanish boys. Yeah, so I'm doing this because they try to fucking belittle me. Yeah, and try to gang up on me, my brother. Yeah, and stop me from earning a living by trying to stitch me up like they've done to loads of Coventry people and put them into mental health via compulsive lies. Yeah, and their family court protection, where it covers up their lies. So they've got damning statements and witness reports and phone calls from the people who've gone out all out to target the person because they've all been scripted and told who the target is. Yeah, so that they have it all. So they've got it all in for them. Yeah, the phone callers, statement makers, and witness makers. So Andy says, yeah, you can't get no court order. While Gerard, your social service manager, yeah, he's gave all the secrets away when he mentioned, yeah, when my mother told him, when they just targeted me, yeah, and they went around my mother's house to assess her. So they must have had eyes on the event. Yeah, Dr. Holmes, Dr. Cushotti, Gerard, services manager, he was there because I don't want Andy says there. Yeah, because we just keep fishing around. Yeah, they have surveillance team watching people. Yeah, and then when they think the surveillance team have done enough damage to them, yeah, the sector workers then try and zoom in. Yeah, like vultures for the kill, thinking, yeah, we can detain them now. So we'll go and assess them, then we'll make out, yeah, in the assessment, the heads are fucked, yeah, and then we'll put them into mental health. Yeah, this is what we implemented in Coventry when we do the major abuse of authority, major corruption, perjury, contempt of court via personal persecutions in their family court of protection. Yeah, so that's what I've exposed. That's what they thought they could get away with. And now it's all come crashing down because I've exposed it all. And management, judge and jurors in historical cases in their family court protection, yeah, have to be investigated and they have misdiagnosed loads of people because of the Doorman Association, the guilds who I've just mentioned. Back in the day, made up loads of lying, personal persecution, damning statements, trying to label people as rapists, as hardened drug addicts, yeah? And that's dangerous people who may kick off one day and hurt someone really seriously, yeah? That's the kind of lies they are telling, yeah? Against people, and that can ruin someone's life forever. And that's what they've done to loads of country people. Loads of, Ian Harding, Ellis Trigger, Indians, Jamaicans, even their own people, English people, they fucked up Dean Piffy, Richard Everett, they've destroyed loads of people. Half-Caste Tracy, whose mother used to run Porkies, they've done it all to experiment to see how much damage they can do to change people's minds, bodies and souls, and if they've got it in for them, they'll fucking brain damage them with the psychotropic, antidepressants, antipsychotic drugs concoction that they put in depot injections and give you an injection every fucking month, and that concoction nearly killed me off in 2014, and because I found 2 fraudulent files, in my NHS confidential records, that's enough damning evidence to destroy the careers of the adult services manager, Gerard, all his social workers that have been assigned to me, my mother, my brother, and destroy all the careers of the Swan Doctors Association psychiatrist, Dr. Holmes, Dr. Pretorius, and other mental health administrators, Marco Blue Eyes, to Zena, to Sarah Reed, whoever's involved and been assigned to me, them 2 fraudulent files is enough damning evidence to destroy your careers and close the organisations down and have a major investigation in Coventry CID who put them fraudulent files in there with the likes of whoever the administrators are who work in the council offices to put fraudulent files in there as well. That them fraudulent files have been passed along, to be put, in a dossier in 2014 against me, and that's how they detained me in 2014 via major Coventry Council establishment fraud. So they defrauded the government and they have to be sacked, all the management. So everybody digest it all, psychoanalyse it all, jam the phone lines to make sure these Coventry managers, Coventry social services managers, Coventry mental health administrators, and Coventry CID, whoever the private detectives are, whoever the covert operators are, they're all sacked, disgraced and kicked out the UK government. That's what's going on, and that's what's going to happen. Everybody psychoanalyse it all, digest it all, and nobody trust any covert operators who were here and now, here yesterday, and here over the weekend. They have been disgraced.